Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to find downloads on Android 2025. Let's begin! First, you want to open our app drawer and you want to navigate and find a folder or application named Files. As you can see, mine is right here. Of course, the name and especially the appearance of the application may depending on your phone. Because I am using a Google Pixel phone right here, I do have Google related photos and appearances of my applications. But most of Files applications should work the same way. I mean that if we go to the Files, we should see a category named Downloads right here. And if I remember correctly, this is true for every kind of Files application, no matter your phone. So now we can simply go to our downloads, and as you can see, we have our downloads applications and folders and photos and all of that right here. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.